Let's learn should today. Use of should. This is also modal. Okay. So we have done already can, could, may, might. Today we'll do should and ought to. What is this? Pronounce it ought to. So first is should. Should be used for giving advice, which is the easiest thing in this world. Like especially in India, when you ask somebody anything, so they start giving you, like suppose you say, I have stomach ache today. पेट में दर्द है. So what do? They start giving you advices like नमक जवैन खा लो, गर्म पानी पी लो, ना, like this. They have so many advices. इतने सारे suggestion. Advice क्या होता है? Suggestion. तो ये कर लो, वो कर लो, ये करना चाहिए तुम्हें. तो should का हिंदी में क्या मतलब होता है? चाहिए. कोई भी काम जो करना चाहिए. अब एक चाहिए होता है कि मुझे लैम्बोर्गिनी चाहिए, मुझे विला चाहिए. वो दैट इज योर डिजायर. वो आपकी डिजायर है, इच्छा है. ये चाहिए कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए, क्या काम करना चाहिए. ओके, so this is any action, suggestion है ये. And if you follow it, it's okay, it's for your betterment. If you don't follow, तो इतना कोई मतलब बहुत बड़ा नुकसान नहीं होगा, है ना, कि मतलब बहुत ज्यादा आपको उसके भुगतना पड़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ओके, so just you have to follow. If you follow it, it will be beneficial for you. बहुत फायदेमंद होगा आपके लिए. For example, as I use daily in the class, you should speak in English in the class daily if you really want to improve. If you really want to hone your communication skills. Hone means improve. So you should speak in English in the class daily. Now, next is you should go for morning stroll. What is stroll? This I told you earlier. Yes, walk. So you should go for morning walk. सब कहते हैं जब भी आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, every doctor says that you should go for morning stroll. But how many years we go? We don't go. So right now we are not understanding, the effect of it. But in future we might suffer from this. So everybody should do some physical exercise. करनी चाहिए. उससे आपकी body fit रहती है. Now you can make negative also. Not भी लगा सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. Then you'll put not in between. You should not use obnoxious language. Obnoxious. Pronounce the word obnoxious. Yes, obnoxious means abusive language. Abusive means गाली वाली. गाली. You know what is गाली, Shiva? So you are living in Delhi and so you must be aware of all galis. So you should not use obnoxious language. Okay? Obnoxious language use नहीं करनी चाहिए. Negative. Now come to ought to. Now ought to also, Hindi of ought to is चाहिए. और Hindi of ought to is चाहिए. Okay? But थोड़ा सा difference क्या है इसमें और इसमें? Morality. Morality means moral values वाली बातें होती हैं, अच्छी अच्छी बातें होती हैं. Like आपको बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए, है ना, जिसमें आप गुड हैबिट सिखाते हो, वो होती है moral values ना. Like moral values are given by parents or grandparents to the children. So you ought to help paupers. Who are paupers? Paupers? No idea? Poor. This is a better word for poor people. Poor people. So हमें गरीबों की मदद करनी चाहिए, but provided वो genuinely गरीब हो, है ना. Some people fake also. Next is you ought to obey elders. You ought to obey elders. Means obey मतलब कहना मानना. हमें बड़ों का कहना मानना चाहिए. Okay? So this is how you'll use should and ought to. Both means चाहिए. The difference is of moral values only. Morality. Clear? Hope it is clear to you now. Make sentences.